So if you leave it nice and thick, it's got that nice chewy dough on the inside. And if you leave it kind of thin, it's going to be more crispy. I like it nice and chewy like that. Perfect for your hummus. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. So if you want to make homemade naan, just mix all of the top ingredients into a big bowl and mix it up, and then knead it for about 10 minutes. So one cool thing about this oven, you can hit steam mode for 60 seconds, steam it up. It gives it a little bit of warmth, moisture, throw in your dough, then you can proof it at 100 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. And your dough will proof perfectly and rise very well. So this is how big it is right now. We'll come back in a second and check it out. And it has definitely risen. Here's our dough. Oh yeah, lots of oil so it releases no problem. And so, little small pieces like that. Roll them up, put it on here, and let them rise some more. Alright, now we're going to leave it for 30 minutes and see it rise. It's been exactly 30 minutes and they have proofed a little bit, gotten a little bit bigger. Now it's time to flatten them out. Just put down some parchment paper, otherwise the dough will stick to it. Throw that sucker on there and roll it out. You don't want it too thin, otherwise it'll get crispy. But if you like the taste of crispy naan and you don't want too much dough on the inside, then definitely roll it out nice and thin. So you can test out your preference. Make some thick ones, make some thin ones, and then go ahead and make it exactly the way you want it. Get some melted butter and put that on there. If you don't have a brush, spread it out with your fingers. Flip that over to the other side. So run your pan on medium heat. Throw it in the pan a minute and a half on each side until it's golden brown. Something like this on both sides, and then it's good to go. Here's what you don't want to do. It's going to get really hard and it won't be very good naan. So try to get it golden brown, but not black like that. So black is burnt and golden brown is crispy. You want it to be kind of crispy. And then we're going to try it with truffle hummus from Save-On. This stuff is excellent. Very tasty, garlicky, truffly, awesome hummus. So check it out. Here we go. Some naan, truffle hummus. Oh yeah. That is excellent. So definitely try this recipe out. Day 4 quarantine, you're stuck at home anyways. Why not? Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your homemade naan.